Okay, you got to check the water level in your batteries often, and checking them in here is quite difficult. So I bought a kit from Amazon to make this a little bit easier. You take these and replace the caps that were on it. They're kind of hard to get off. Okay, and this valve, see, it's got a little float there. So when you fill it and it fills up, it stops it from filling too full. At the same time, it still can vent like a regular battery cap. Okay, I ended up modifying them a little bit. I went ahead and just trimmed these because they were fighting me. And so I made them all the right length. And now I need to cap off the ends and put one across from the other. Okay, so here's what I did. I capped these two off, cap that off, cap that off. It goes over to here, to this one. These are capped, those are capped. And then you got your hose here that hooks up to the squeeze bulb. I had to hold the jug up higher than the battery to get it primed. But I'm pumping it in, and now they were pretty full, so now it's full. It's going to be great. Much easier. And then you drain the fill valve and so it doesn't freeze, and you cap this off, and they're all full, and I think this will be much easier.